board chairman, John Mack. John, of course, has had a legendary and extraordinary career in finance, but as the board chairman of New York-Presbyterian has made a difference in countless millions of lives. He brought together the two hospitals, New York Hospital and Columbia Presbyterian. He dedicated himself to creating a world-class institution to rival those that you often hear about in the country in New York. John has been a tremendous supporter of every endeavor of the hospital, and of course, galvanized Morgan Stanley, its leadership, himself, the employees of Morgan Stanley, to help us build the Morgan Stanley Children's Hospital up at 168th Street. Now, that's a hospital that is dedicated to advancing care, cardiac, neurosciences, all sorts of things that can only be done in very specialized places, but also serves a very underserved community. John was also instrumental in obtaining the funding for a new pediatric emergency room in Washington Heights. We have a tremendous commitment at our hospital to serving the underserved, to serving all New Yorkers. And you all know that education and health care for children is critical in lifting children from poverty. John understands that. John has been a steadfast supporter of our mission as a hospital. We don't just take care of elite patients. We take care of everybody who walks through our doors, whether they have a nickel to their name or $5 billion to their name. And that is John's philosophy. We have to be a regional resource, a national resource, but we've got to take care of New Yorkers. You cannot have a great world-class city without great health care, and John has committed himself to that. I can't tell you how important it is for me as the chief executive to have somebody like John by my side all the time, giving me advice, sometimes advice I don't necessarily need to hear, but nevertheless, good advice. John has been a tremendous mentor, a tremendous friend. I'm proud to call him my friend, and I think he is very deserving of this honor we're about to bestow upon him tonight. So John, please come up to the podium. Thank you.